Hello everyone, I hope everyone had a happy new year, and for today's magic card trick tutorials, I'm just going to show you 3 card tricks you can do with a regular deck of cards, okay? This is a completely normal deck of cards, and for each one of these tricks, I'll put a link in the description for the step-by-step tutorial, okay? So for the first one, you just start off, have a spectator select any card that they like. Let's say they picked that card right there. It's a free selection, you don't look at it. They remember it and hand it back to you, okay? You take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where their card is. You can give the cards a few cuts and even a nice shuffle. And then what you want to do is ask the spectator to give you a number, let's say between 1 and 52, okay? So let's say for ease, they give you 9, okay? You're gonna find their card, not 9th from the top, but 9th from the bottom, okay? So let's say they said 9, you count off, okay? 1, 2, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then finally the 9th card. Out of all these cards, they could have picked, and any number, 1 through 52, they picked 9, and wouldn't it be amazing if that was their card? And that's any card up, and that's the first link that's in the description. Now for the second trick, we'll just use the 4 of hearts just for the remaining tricks, but it can be any card that they select. We're gonna need 2 kings. Let's see, the king of hearts and the king of clubs, okay? They pick a card, you take their card, lose it somewhere in the deck again, okay? You have no idea where their card is. Give the deck a few cuts, okay? Even a shuffle. Now, this is where the kings come in, okay? You're gonna need the king of clubs and the king of hearts, okay? These 2 cards, take them and put them perpendicular into the deck of cards just like this, okay? Line them up so they are perpendicular to the other cards. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the cards, push them through once, okay? Keep an eye on that card right there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom, look at that. The 2 kings magically find the 4 of hearts, their selected card. And that one's called Plunger Discovery, and that's the second link in the description, okay? Now, for the third one, and this is a regular deck of cards, have them pick a card. Let's keep the 4 of hearts for this one. You take their card, you don't know what they are, you don't know what the card is. Take the card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck again, okay? Completely losing the location of the card. Give the deck a nice cut, even a shuffle, okay? You can even give it another shuffle if you want, okay? Mixing up the complete order of the cards. Now I can show you that their card is not on the top, okay? It's not even second from the top, okay? It's not on the bottom. It's not even second from the bottom, okay? But maybe if we give the cards a cut, one card will miraculously turn face down in the face-up cards, and wouldn't it be amazing if that was their card? And that's simple reverse, and that's the third trick with the link in the description, okay? Please let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, and if you're a performing magician and performing anywhere, put that in the comments too, because people do read it, and maybe somebody will go see your show. All right? Until next time, I appreciate it. Happy New Year.